In this quick video, I will show you a very simple and effective chart pattern that you can always use in crypto trading. It's called triangles, and first let's get into the theory. We can see there are three different types of triangles: ascending, descending, and symmetrical triangles. On an ascending triangle, we have a resistance line up here that is horizontal and then a trend line that goes up. So the price gets squeezed into this triangle, tries to go through this upper line multiple times and then finally goes through it. In a descending triangle, it's just the opposite way around. We have down here this support zone and then the trend line that goes down. So we touch the lower line multiple times, get squeezed into it, and then break out to the downside. On the other hand, we have the symmetrical triangle. So here the top and the bottom line go towards each other. So there's no horizontal line in here, and the price gets squeezed in here and can also break up or down. Both of them are often possible. It's a little bit more likely the same direction it went into the symmetrical triangle that it goes out the same direction. So if it went down inside of this triangle, it's a little bit more likely that it also goes down afterwards. But either way, it's also useful to speculate on a price move. Once it breaks out of this triangle, up or down, you can place your bets once it has confirmed the breakout of such a triangle. So let's look into the Bitcoin price chart. We can find many of these triangles in those charts. For example, we have this very big during the bear market of 2018. We can see that's a typical descending triangle with the lower support line here. And we have the line that goes down maybe somewhere here. Of course, it's not always fitting perfectly, but it's totally fine to have just an estimate of it. We can clearly see this is a very typical descending triangle with the touch points down here. And we can see up here this trend line with all the touch points up here. And then finally, when the price was squeezed together in here, it broke to the downside right here. We could draw another ascending triangle down here. So we can see this is our top line and here is our lower line. And we can also clearly see that the price got squeezed into this here and then finally broke out to the upside out of this triangle right here. And of course, we can draw another triangle. Let's go in here. For example, this is more like of a symmetrical triangle maybe. We can see as well here the price got squeezed together and then broke out of this triangle to the downside in this case. If you're looking for the best crypto trading exchange, make sure to check out the links in the video description where you'll always get the best sign-up bonus possible. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.